Hello, dear Virgo. A very good evening to you guys. And this is a general love reading till the middle of April. So we will tap into your partner's energy and your energy, and we will see what will be the outcome. Okay, Virgos. So let's quickly start. Your partner's energy right now is the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like your partner is moving towards you really, really, really slowly, and they have an offer. They have a very, very solid commitment offer coming towards you that they want to give you, but they are right now taking it very, very slow. They are coming towards you, but they are coming like a very, very at a very, very slow pace, at a very, very slow energy. Okay, how they see you that somebody who is not ready to maybe commit, or who has their walls up, or maybe you're not talking to them, maybe you're not listening to them, maybe you're conflicted in some way, maybe you are in this not in this mental state to listen to them, or they are basically seeing you that somebody is very, very closed off right now, and somebody who doesn't want to communicate, want to talk. Okay, how they feel about this relationship is the Five of Cups. They are missing you very, very badly, Virgo. If you guys are not on the talking terms, or if you guys had a fight or conflict or whatever, this person is missing you a lot. They are grieving over you, they are mourning over this relationship, they are very, very regretful of what they did. Okay, so right now they are in the grieving mode. Okay, they are in the missing mode. What they want from this relationship, Ace of Cups. They want a brand new beginning in this relationship. They want to to give you this cup to tell you that they love you, they miss you a lot, and they are feeling all kind of mixed and emotional urges on in their feelings. Right now they are overwhelmed with emotions, and right now they are missing you a lot, and that is why they want a brand new beginning with you uh, in this relationship again. Okay, and the outcome from their side is the Seven of Cups. I feel like Virgo, your person has lots of choices. Maybe they have lots of options, or they are really, really, really confused about how to approach you right now. Because right now, I feel like you guys are not on the talking term. Maybe right now, your person is hell lot of confused. They love you a lot. They are missing you a lot, and they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you in this relationship. But right now, they are very, very confused, and I feel like they are right now stuck somewhere, stuck in their mind, stuck in their thoughts, stuck in their emotions. So this Seven of Cups is clarified by the Page of Cups, the Devil, and the High Priestess. Let me tell you one thing, Virgo. The High Priestess and the Devil, if they are coming together, this is not a great of combination, because this is a sign of that somebody is using black magic to get something done in their life. So it is a high energy. Maybe your person is kind of some into some tantra mantra, or occult sciences, or some kind of rituals that they do. But whatever it is, your person is confused. So from their point of view, till the mid of April, they will realize that you have that they have emotions for you, and they are very, very overwhelming. They are missing you so badly. That is why maybe they are confused what to do, what to do. And I feel like they will eventually try to manifest you using some black magic thing. Manifestation is not manifestation is not done by black magic and all. This is manifestation is something beautiful, but right now they are trying to get you anyhow. So for that, I think they are using some kind of black music or occult sciences or something like that. So beware of that, Virgo. Your energies will get low, or you will feel low, or uh, see no black magic can work on you if you are on high frequency, if you are vibrating on a high frequency. If you are already a spiritual being, you are protected, don't worry about that. But I am just trying to say that this person might use some kind of black magic or some kind of occult things to get you back in their life. Okay, however, your energy right now is the Four of Wands. So Virgo, I feel like you're celebrating something. You might be celebrating a marriage or celebration or engagement or birthday or whatever it is. You are celebrating something with somebody. This is 11/11. This is a very, very divine thing that you are celebrating right now. You are might be with with a family member, or you are in the family. You are in this happy zone right now in till April of till mid of April. Okay, how you see your person? You see your person as Empress. You see your person as somebody who's very creative, very beautiful, very attractive, very sexually compatible, maybe to you, Virgo. But right now, your person might be your person is in few cases your person is pregnant as well, because I can feel like you're celebrating something. It could mean that your person is pregnant, and you guys are celebrating this pregnancy news together. You guys are celebrating a good news together, happy news together. Okay, so whatever it is right now, this is for those who are married, obviously. So right now also you feel like your person is very creative and very beautiful, very sexy and all that thing, but from your side I don't feel like that kind of that kind of love and that kind of enthusiasm that your person is holding for you right now. Okay. And what you feel about this relationship is the wheel of fortune. You feel like this relationship, whatever is happening in this relationship is happening, just happening. It is just uh, the divine is doing that, God is doing that, the universe is doing that. So you have basically left everything on the universe you have left everything on the God, whatever you feel like, yes, whatever the divine force you believe in. Okay, so you feel like whatever will happen in this relationship, this is because God is intervening in this relationship, universe is intervening in this relationship. So right now you are not like taking any kind of initiative, but right now you are celebrating something, that is for sure. And what they want from this relationship is the Six of Cups energy is there. They want a reunion. They want to reconcile because they are feeling nostalgic. Okay, I told you that this person is missing you a lot. Okay, and you also want a reunion. You also want this person to come back to your life because you are also missing the old days. You are also getting nostalgic. Both the parties are missing each other. Both the parties are not getting nostalgic, but right now you are not taking any kind of initiative from your side. On the other hand, your person is very very emotional and they are ready to do anything to get you back. Okay, the outcome from your side is the King of Wands. I feel like you are right now in this energy of committing to somebody, or giving a proposal or giving a long-term commitment or anything like that. You are right now, you're wearing your sleeves, you're wearing your heart on your sleeves. So basically you are ready to do anything. Basically might be you are just interested in the physical things right now, Virgo. Right now you are not interested in committing a long-term partnership or anything like that. But yes, you feel a lot for them. You feel a lot of passion towards them, a lot of sexual energy towards them. So right now you are feeling like that. Okay. And the outcome, the King of Wands is clarified by the Tower, the Hierophant, and the Hermit. Both, all three, the major arcana cards. You are searching your soul. You are looking within whether you want this relationship or not. Then you came to the conclusion, yes, that yes, I want this I want this person in my life. This person could be my long term partner, could be my lifetime partner, or could be committed person that I can spend my life with. And the Hermit, King of Wands is basically the outcome from your side is basically that you are not interested in the long term partnership right now, or might be the marriage thing right now. But you will suddenly realize, the Tower is the sudden realization, that suddenly you will realize that you want this person in your life, you want a commitment from them, and then you will go within. I don't think you are going to talk to them about this proposal or commitment thing right now, but you will go within and you will realize that yes, this is what I want. You will realize it. Okay, Virgo, in the long term you will realize it. Till the mid of April you are going to realize that yes, I want this person in my life, I want this commitment in my life. And I am analyzing everything, and I will make a plan and make a proposal thing to them. But not right now, you're holding back. Okay, they are confused and you're holding back. This is what is happening. So three cards from Love Oracle deck. The past one is the date. You met someone new, you date them and you had a date with them. This is the recent past. Okay, present energy is a girl with a snake, empath, narcissist, charmed or used. I'm telling you, there is some kind of black magic that is being used to get you, Virgo. You have to be, this card is also indicating that you have to be very very careful about that. And the near future, it is a photograph. They are going to miss you. They are feeling nostalgic, and you guys make new memories together. If you guys will be together in the future, I feel like you guys will meet and eventually you will talk and you guys will have lots of fun and lots of memories. That's what it is indicating as well. But I don't feel like the commitment thing, the proposal thing, a long term thing right now. Okay, till the mid of April. So this is all about your love life, Virgo, till the mid of April. I think it will help you to some extent. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. And do let me in the comment section below if I missed anything, or if there is anything that I can improve in my readings. Because what I feel is I'm not going through a very good phase in my life right now. So I am recovering from some kind of depressing phase. So pardon me if I'm doing something wrong or not that much high in energy. So thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste.